Alex Friedmann has been found guilty of felony vandalism. He admitted to planting guns inside the new Davidson County jail while it was under construction, and the jury deliberated for only about 60 minutes after a 4-day trial.
News Channel 5's Amelia Young joins us live outside the courthouse downtown with a recap of what happened. So Amelia, did we ever actually figure out his motive behind it all?
Well, Amy, Rebecca, that still remains a mystery as to exactly what Friedmann was planning to do with those stolen blueprints and also the guns that he had planted. Now he's going to spend anywhere between 25 to 40 years in prison because of it. Now, the deliberation came after 3 days of testimony and video footage showing Friedmann dressing up as a construction worker and hiding weapons in the new Davidson County jail as it was being built in 2019. Security video showed him using stolen keys for months to plant weapons, ammo, and tools, setting the stage for a potentially violent jail uprising. He was charged with vandalism, and the jury deliberated over how much damage he caused. In the end, he was convicted of vandalism, causing more than $250,000 worth of damage, a Class A felony, which is exactly what prosecution sought. They argued in closing that what Friedmann did was incredibly dangerous. It cost more than $250,000 to remove the hidden weapons, replace all the keys, and make the jail safe and secure again. Sheriff Darren Hall says he feels satisfied with the verdict after a crime that he says could have led to so much more.
He threatened the escape of every inmate in that facility. He threatened to kill multiple people that work in an environment. There's not a correctional place in this world that would place him anywhere but maximum security. So he needs to stay in prison for as long as a judge will allow him to. He needs to be in maximum security for the rest of his life.
Well, Friedmann is locked up at Riverbend Maximum Security Prison now. His sentencing is going to happen sometime in September. He's also awaiting a prosecution on gun charges in federal court as well.
And Amelia, Friedmann admitted to doing this, but did he have any help?
Well, Amy, the answer is a little complicated. Back in 2020, Sheriff Darren Hall said that there were people inside that were helpful, but not exactly involved. He said those people were never charged, though, and they did cooperate with the investigation.